you sing, Nathan, for Mama?
Yeah, let's close the door, honey. Let's close the door.
What is this?
It's a grill. That's how we had supper last night. We made our hot dogs on there.
It's not gonna come home. My headphones are not working.
Oh,
You might have gone too far, Nathan. You have to be close to the snake. Do you want to come back in again?
No.
yeah, Mommy said you need to be closer to where she is.
Oh. Closer, sorry.
Come on, Kelly. Come on, Kelly. Come on, Kels. Want a flashlight, Suze? Where'd he go?
It's not gonna come on.
It's still not working?
Yeah. It's still not working, Mommy.
Oh, it's not. Come here. So we're gonna give it here. So, did you touch anything?
No, he just went out the door. and
Okay, wait.
stopped.
Maybe it was me. Let's see.
It wasn't. It was you, Ma. It was you, Mama.
Me? I didn't do
yeah.
anything.
You did.
No, I didn't.
I turned it off. Here.
No, you
There you
did.
go. See? It wasn't Mama. It was Mama. Not Mama.
You see yourself in the television? He's listening to music. That one that Colbert was dancing to with Bryan Cranston. I have to take some Advil. My back hurts from my big exercise yesterday. His pants are on backwards, of course.
Oh, yeah.
It's a long song, right, Nate? Daft Punk.
That's Daft Punk too.
Is it?
And Daft Punk one is a real Daft Punk.
Oh, I see.
New trainers?
Yep.
This is Daft Punk one.
For Father's Day.
I had the thought that he'd leave a pair up here, and he had the same notion before we left. So.
out the fridge for Adam when he was sick. It's over.
He's sniffing at me.
She loves you.
He.
She.
Oh, he's sniffing on me. Ah!
Kelly.
He's licking me.
You're delicious. Excuse me? Oh, okay. Take a bag with you. The leash is in the living room.
Shoes off.
Oh, of course. How are your toes, okay? Are they better?
I'm gonna go. Can you push me on the spring? Cause
Yeah.
I'm going outside.
That's the wrong foot. That's the wrong foot, booty butt.
I'm gonna go out.
Nathan, that's the wrong foot.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, booty butt. You are booty butt.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Uh-uh.
You are.
I'm not even.
This one.
Not.
Is this that punk?
I don't know. I can't hear what you hear.
Is
It's a
this
new song now? You're on a different song?
Mhm. This one to fit that punk.
You think it is?